Hi everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings and Stampin' Camp with Mary. How are you today? Today I want to do another simple stamping and we're going to use the Delightfully Detailed No Cards and Envelopes for this one. We are going to be using the Healing Hugs and we're going to use these Sending You Healing Vibes with this. And I'm going to use the Mint Macaron. And we're also going to be using Memento ink, okay? Easy. I am taking, you will notice in the Healing Hugs, these right there. Let's see, get those. Now, mostly everybody uses the rose and that, but I like to use this one. And I'm going to show you just how to do a few little things with this one, okay? So, I'm just going to ink up that, and I am going to do a bunch of these in a row, just like that, okay? And I'm going to do a few more down on this side. Now I'm going to put the and where is my stamping in my 24-foot trailer sometimes is hard if you get a ton of stuff out. My husband thinks it's sometimes I have too much out. And I'm just going to ink up the Sending You Healing Vibes. Just like that. So, for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Simply Stamping, thanks a lot for visiting, and oh, don't forget to follow me on YouTube, and all the information to make this great card is down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.